In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva newsletters in Mailchimp. We're going to walk through how to take a newsletter you've already designed in Canva and bring it directly into Mailchimp so you can use it in your email campaigns. I'll guide you through the connection process, show you what to click, and explain what's happening at each step so nothing feels confusing. First, go to Canva and open the newsletter design you want to use. Make sure all your edits are finished, your text is final, and your images look the way you want, because this is the version you'll be sending out. Once your design is ready, look at the top right corner of Canva and click the Share button. A drop-down panel will appear. In that panel, click on See All to view all the available sharing options. In the search bar that appears, type Mailchimp. When you see the Mailchimp option come up, click on it, then click Open. A panel will load on the side of your screen. Give it a moment to finish loading. Once the Mailchimp panel is ready, you'll be asked to choose your file type and the pages you want to export. If your newsletter has multiple pages, select the specific pages you'd like to use in Mailchimp. When you're happy with your selection, click Connect to Mailchimp. The panel will reload and let you know that Mailchimp wants to connect to your Canva account. Click Connect. A small pop-up window will appear asking for your Mailchimp login details. Enter your Mailchimp username, then click Log In. The pop-up will refresh and ask for your password. Type it in, or if you normally sign in with Google, click the Sign In with Google button and choose your Google account or enter those details. After you've logged in, Mailchimp will show you a summary of the access it's requesting. Review that information, then click Allow. The pop-up will close, and back in Canva, you'll now see your Mailchimp account listed on the right panel. From here, click Share to Mailchimp. You'll see a loading message that says Publishing Design. Wait for that process to finish. Once it's done, a button will appear that says Continue in Mailchimp. Click that, and Mailchimp will open in your browser on the content page, where you'll see your imported Canva newsletter ready to use. To actually use this design in an email, go to the Campaign section in Mailchimp. Either open an existing email campaign draft or create a new email campaign where you want to include your Canva newsletter. Once you've chosen your campaign, click Edit Design to open the email editor. Inside the Mailchimp editor, you'll build your email layout. Because the newsletter you brought in from Canva is treated as an image, you'll want to add an image block wherever you want that newsletter to appear. In the left panel, add an image content block to your email. Then click the Add or Browse button and choose Browse Image from the drop-down. This will open your content library. Look for the Canva newsletter image you just imported, select it, and insert it into your email. From there, you can adjust the placement, add text above or below the image, and customize the rest of your email as needed. And that's it. You've successfully imported a Canva newsletter into Mailchimp and added it to your email campaign.